In today's video, we're diving into a comparison of two innovative portable washing solutions, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Portable Mini Washer. We'll explore their unique features, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your travel or laundry needs. Let's get started. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, making it an excellent choice for those who want to wash clothes without needing electricity. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer is electric, providing automated washing and spin drying capabilities. This difference significantly impacts their usability in various situations, especially when access to power is limited. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba Wash Bag is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. On the other hand, while the Portable Mini Washer is foldable, it is heavier and bulkier, which may limit its convenience for on-the-go use. The Scrubba Wash Bag has a limited capacity, suitable for small laundry loads, which may require multiple washes for larger items. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer boasts a 15-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, making it a better option for those with larger laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Portable Mini Washer have their unique advantages and disadvantages. If you prioritize portability and low cost, the Scrubba is an excellent choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and automated washing, the Portable Mini Washer may be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.